Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Gwen Stacy from Spider-Verse. We split our video into 3 parts: basic sketching, outline and coloring. You can skip to the part which you like to see. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Draw a line near bottom of the circle. This line marks the lower eye line. Complete the head structure with slightly sharp at the bottom. Draw another line to mark the eye size. Draw eye masks. Draw a hood. Now, we have completed drawing the hood, let's detail it. Draw a basic body shape. Draw right hand. Draw left hand. Draw shoes and detail it. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. We post a video daily. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.